Hello guys, this is God's Power again. So today I will show you step by step how you can run a profitable ad on Google. So if you want to learn how you can create ad on Google, all you just need to do is to watch this video from the beginning to the end. What I'm going to show you here is something that I have to pay in other places to learn, but I will show you completely free. So you don't need to do anything. All I just want you to do is to pay attention, and I will show you step by step. You will see that you will leverage your ad up. You will not be you will not be paying a lot of money, but you'll be getting a lot of traffic, and you'll be getting a lot of click, and you'll be getting people interacting on that your video. So I will show you. It's very simple. It's very simple. I will show you two ways how you can create ad on YouTube, how you can create ad on Google search engine. Let me see if somebody, if anyone search on that keyword that you are ranking for on that your ad will display. So all you just need to do is to watch this video, pay attention to every part, and I'm going to show you step by step how everything works. So just watch this video from the beginning to the end, and I promise you will not regret watching this video. Hello guys, you are watching this video because you want to learn how you can display your Google ad like this. You can display your Google ad like this. As you can see, this is Google and this is ad that is showing. When people search for this keyword business, this ad will display because somebody is ranking for this keyword, which is business. If you want to display your ad on YouTube like this, you can see on YouTube, I search for how to make money online. This is ad that is displaying. Ad is displaying the front page of the search engine on YouTube. So that is what I'm going to show you today, how you can create your own ad. It's not compulsory that you need to create ad like they are creating, but it's just to show you idea that you can do this type of thing. So let me take you back to how you can create your ad on Google or on YouTube. Just keep on watching this video. So once you come to Google, let me show you step by step now. Just keep on watching. The first part, I'm going to show you how you can get your keyword. So let us log into our Google ad account. So we'll come to Google here and we need to search for Google. Search for Google ads. Search for Google ad and click on enter from Google, and you can find Google here. So all you just need to do, click on this one here that says Google ad. Click on that. So it's going to take you to Google Ad website. So all you just need to do, if you don't have an account, you can click on begin so that you register. You just log in with your Gmail. That is all you just need to do if you don't have. So if you already have your Google Ad account, you can click on log in. So once you click on log in, it's going to take you to Google Ads dashboard. So when it brings you to your Google Ad dashboard, this is how it will look. Your own might look blank. You will not find anything because you are a new user and you have not created ad on Google. So you can see that I'm using Google Ad. That is why you can see all those impressions and clicks on the screen. So first thing, what you need to do is to find a keyword for your business. Let me say you are making a video on a way on how to lose weight, or you are making a video a way on how to make money online, or you don't have a video, you want to like you have a website, you want to rank that your blog. So you need to keep on watching because I'm going to show you those two ways. So the first way is that we need to create a video campaign. So we need to create ad on our video on YouTube. Let me say we have a YouTube channel, we want to promote that our YouTube channel, we want to promote a particular video on our YouTube channel. We can do that by creating a video ad. So let me show you how you can create your video ad. First, you don't need any keyword. You don't need to do any keyword research on your video ad, but I'm going to show you how you can do this. It's very simple. So first, what you need to do is you need to follow step by step on what I'm going to show you on this video. What you need to do, see on this section that says new campaign, click on new campaign and click on new campaign. You click it twice, new campaign, yes. It's going to open this tab, this window that you can see. Just scroll down and click on this section that say create a campaign without a go guidance. So just click on this section that say create a campaign without a go guidance. All you just need to do, click on that section and it will bring you to this section here. So if you bring you to this section, I know you'll be confused. Yes, don't worry, that is why I'm making this video for you. So all you just need to do is to click on this section that say video. You see it's a reset section here that say video. Click on that. So once you click on that, it will open up this tab again at the bottom here. Don't do anything, just make sure you are on custom video campaign and just scroll down and click on this section that say continue. So once you click on continue, it will bring you to this page again that you can see on the screen. So once you bring it to this page here, what you need to do here you are going to enter the let me say the name, what you want to name your campaign. We can call it a campaign free. We can call it, for example, campaign video custom free. That is the name of our campaign. Just scroll down and you will see the section that say buying strategy. You can see click on this section here. Let me show you something. You can see CPV. CPV is cost per view, so it's cost per view. So you have to understand what is the meaning of CPV. You can see it here, cost per view. So all you just need to do, make sure you are targeting cost per view, and click on that and make sure that is okay. So on the total campaign, you can come here and budget type. You can put daily because you want to be running your campaign by daily, not just campaign. But you come here and you can set amount you want to spend per day. You can say, okay, I want to be spending like $10 per day. I will just put like $5. Let us say $5 I want to spend per day. Okay, that is good. And we come to this section. It says start date. We start on the 6/10, which is June and 2022, and we can click on edit on this session so that we'll be able to end the end date. So you can see it say end date. You can select here to select your end date. You can say, okay, we want to run it from on the 10 to on the 13. That is 3 days. On the 10 to on the 13, which is 3 days. So we can just scroll down. If that is okay, we are okay with this. Make sure you set it just like I'm setting it, and you click on this icon to make sure that session is not distracting you. And you can click on this networks. Make sure you uncheck this and you uncheck this. So you want your video, you say add. You can see what he's saying here. So just make sure that only this one is checked. Make sure this video partner is not checked, which is a video partner on YouTube on the display networks. Make sure this is not checked. Just leave these two. Make sure you just this research that is okay. So once you have set in that, just click on this icon to make sure that tab is closed. So here you can select which country you want to be targeting with your video. Let me say you want to be targeting only France. You can just enter France, or you can click here. You can enter the country you want to target. Let me say you want to target only US. You can just put US and you will find that you will just click on United States here if you want to target a particular country. But on this tutorial, we are going to target all country, which is worldwide. After we enter that, we just need to scroll down here. You can select which language you want this. You want people that speaking. You want to target people that is speaking English. You can just enter it here, and you can enter multiple language by clicking here, and you can select the language you want to target. So once you are okay with that, you just need to scroll down on the inventory type. You can see inventory type. You can click on this section here. You can just see it. Make sure it's on recommended standard inventory, and just click on that and scroll down. This section that says exclude some type, you can come here to exclude some things that you don't want. You don't want your ad to be showing on, where you don't want output of your ad to be shown. You say option out from showing your ad content that doesn't fit your brand. So where you don't want to be displaying your ad, you can just come here, select them, and all those things, all those channels or places you don't want your ad to be displayed, just come here, select them if you want. I love leaving everything just like where it is, and I'll just click on this section here. And related videos, you can just click on this section, which is segment. You can just click on that if you want to see related video to help you increase your engagement, if you want to do that. But I recommend leaving all those things. You don't need to do anything there. Additional settings, just leave that blank, and just come down here. You can set up your ad group name. We can just call it campaign free again. You can just call it campaign free, and just come down and keep on going. So just come down, and this section where you see demographics, you can just come down here, demographic, leave everything. Just don't touch this section. If you want to you can do this if, for example, you want to target a particular ages. You can just put a non-parenting, and you can do parenting, and you can select a particular ages. You can say you don't want people unknown, which is people that you don't know if they are male or female. If you don't want that option, just make sure it's not, you uncheck that, so that it will not show. So you can select the particular ages of people you want this ad to be displayed on. So you can remove this again, and you remove this again. You just leave it. You can leave this and just leave this, everything here, leave it, which is the parental status. You can just leave all those. And this session, you can remove the age. You can say, okay, I want the age from 18 to 60, or 60 to a particular ages. You can just do all those things here. So what you can do, just make sure you leave it on male or female. Let me say your video is talking about things that correspond to female. Is these things that correspond to male? You can decide on that. So once you are okay with that, you can just close this tab if you set it according to how you want it, and you can just close that. And you can come down here and click on segment audience. You can do this if, for example, you want to target a particular people. So you can do this, but I recommend you leaving this blank and just come down here. So this is where you are going to set up your keyword. Let me say you want to set up a keyword. You can come here and like copy your keyword. Here, this is the place where I paste in the keyword. Let me say, for example, I want to rank for. I can just copy those keywords that I've pasted here, and I will come back to our ad and go back to our ad. Where is our ad? Oh, sorry, this is our ad. I will come here and I will paste in the keyword that I want to rank for. So once I paste in the keyword, I will scroll down here. If I want to rank for keyword, let me say I don't want to rank for keyword. I want to target a particular channel, which is the reason why you are watching this video. I recommend you to use this method. So just close this tab of keyword and come to this section where you see placement. Any placement, click on this section. So because we are making videos for a particular people, so we are going to target that particular people. So we are going to display our ad on those type of people. So it doesn't matter if you are from the country or you are not from the country. How this is working is that if you target a particular channel to run ad on that channel, what is going to happen is that even if the person live in US and you are not targeting US, if they are watching that video from that country that you are targeting, maybe say they are watching video from that particular channel from that country where you are targeting, your ad must display. So you don't need to be worrying about, okay, it's not from this country because the channel is not from here. No, if they are watching the video from that particular country, your ad will display. It doesn't matter if you target the country or not. That is what I want you to understand on this aspect. So how can you find all those channels? So let me say, for example, I search for my own channel. Let me say God's Power Ogiagbe. I will just search for my channel here, and I will just search for my channel, and you will see that my channel will be the first channel that if I click on this section, you will see this is me. If I click on me now, it's going to display here. So anyone that is watching my video, those are the people I'm going to be targeting. Let me say, for example, I want to search for like Mr. B. I will just search for Mr. B. If I'm spelling it correctly, I will just click on this section here, and you can look for Mr. B channels, people that is ranking for Mr. B channel. So that is it, and all you just need to do, you search for the particular channel you are looking for. Let me say, for example, you are not getting the channel exactly, or you are not getting the channel that you are looking for. Just go back to your YouTube channel here and search for people that you want. Let me say, for example, we can just do Mr. Beast. Can just do Mr. Beast here, and we can just come here and copy the name of Mr. B. Let me say this is the name of Mr. B. We can just copy it and copy. Sorry about that. Copy the name of Mr. B. Copy, and we can go back to our YouTube channel. Oh, sorry, our campaign here. Come to our campaign here, and we'll paste in the name here, and I think Mr. B will pop up. So we just need to click here, and you can see this is Mr. B. We can just click on Mr. B. You can click on Mr. B Brazil. You can click on that. You can see Mr. B Espanol. You can click on that. So that is how you can copy the name of channels and paste it here, because you are going to be displaying your ad on those channels. So this is the people that you are targeting as your keyword. You are not using normal keyword like how to make money online or how to lose weight again. You are not using channels you are not using those names on their you are not targeting those channels. So those channels, your video is going to be displaying on those channels. That is what I just did here, if you understand what I'm saying. So if we are okay with the people that we are targeting, we have collected a bunch of channels that we want to target, we want our ad to be displaying on, we can just close this tab and come here, can just go and copy our video. So let's say, for example, this is our video. We are going to copy this link of our video and go back to that our ad campaign and paste in this video. So I can just come here, paste in the URL of our video, and once we paste in the URL of our video, we can do a skippable ad screen if we want, which the video they recommend you to have at least video that is longer than 3 minutes if we want to do this type of ad on YouTube. That is why when you see on YouTube 3 minutes, you need to have at least 3 minutes video longer, so that your ad can display for 3 minutes if you want to do a skippable ad video. So, but if on the case of our video, we are not doing skippable ad on our campaign. So what we want is in-feed ad. So the ad that used to display below the video, you know, when you search for any keyword on YouTube, or when you are watching other people's video, you will see that your ad will be displaying at the bottom. So that is where we want to be. Or when people go to YouTube, they will see our ad displaying at the top of the banner of YouTube. So that is what I'm showing you here. You can see how it will display on mobile, and if I click on desktop here, this is how it's going to display on desktop. So once we select it, we just need to scroll down and enter the heading of our ad, of our campaign. So what we need to do, I will come again to this. If you want to use this website, which is tools here that you can use, you can just come to one of our websites that you can come and try to see the best tools that you can use. So I will copy this. This is a tool that I'm using from Word Counter. It counts the word that you have. So you can see it counts all the word that you have on that test. So I'll come back again to our campaign. So as you can see, I have set it up. I have set the test I want to display on the campaign. You can see heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, description and everything. I've added the ad name. Yeah, so once you are okay, you will see how it will display on mobile. On desktop, this is how it will display. On mobile, this is how it will display. So once you are okay with this, what you need to do is to scroll down. If you click on this section, you will see how the ad will be displaying. This is how the ad will display. Let me just scroll down, and if I click on this section that's the ad creation, so this is how the ad is now. And what you need to do is to scroll down here. So we need to do how much we want to pay per view. So we can say, okay, we want to be paying like we want to pay, you can do 1 cent, it depends on you. So what you can do here, you can just put like something like 2 cents. Let us say 1 to 2 cents. Okay, he said that this campaign is good for 2 cents, so we can just do, you can see what he's saying here. So we are going to get daily, we are going to be getting 1k 100 to 3k 800 view. So you can see we are paying the average cost per view is 1 cent, and we are going to 1 cent to 3 cents, and this is how much we are going to be paying. And as you can see, everything is okay. So once we are okay with this campaign, you can see that we have set it up. It's very simple. We didn't like go through any difficult time setting it up. So all you just need to do is to scroll down here and scroll down and click on this section here. You can see it turn into 20 cents, but if we want to do that, we can just click on this section and do like a 5 cents. Sorry, we can just do like a 0.5. You can just do like 0.5 cents, which it will be 5 cents, and we'll click on create campaign. So it's going to create the campaign for us. It's bringing us here to confirm the campaign. So once we are okay, if we click on continue now, the campaign will be created, and Google is going to review the campaign between 1 or 2 business days. So 1 or 2 business days, your ad will be live on YouTube, start running, and you will start getting views and making money at the end of the day. If the video is talking about how people can make money, they can click your link and you will start making money at the end of the day. So now you know how you can set up a video ad. So let me show you how you can set up ad on Google. Let me say you want to target a particular website, or you want to target a particular blog that you created. Let me say, for example, you created a blog and you want to target a particular blog like me. Let me say, okay, let's use, for example, this is my blog. I'll just come to my blog and I copy the URL of my blog here to start creating the search engine campaign. So what I need to do now is to show you how you can do that. So what you need to do, go back again to Google, and you have to search for Google ad. Search for Google ad again on Google, and you follow the instruction what we did. You click on Google, and it's going to open up, and what you need to do is to click on login, because you already have your account. Click on login here. So once you click on login, it's going to log you into your account. So when you open your account, what you need to do is to when you want to create a Google search engine campaign, like if you want your ad to be displaying on Google, let me say you created a blog like I said, and you want to rank that your blog on Google, like start making money from that services that you are talking about, or you start sending traffic to that your blog. You want people to know what is happening on that blog, or what that blog can solve, or how it can help people. So if you want to rank your ad on Google, so what you need to do first, you need to do keyword researching. So you need to come to this section and click on settings. You can see tools and settings. Click on tools and settings, and you click on keyword planner from your Google ad. So what we are trying to do here is to target a particular keyword. So click on this section where you see discover new keyword. So make sure you click on this section to remove the country that is currently there, because we want to target worldwide, and click on save. So what we need to do now is to enter our keyword. Let me say want to talk about how to promote Amazon product. So what is happening here is that we have entered Amazon affiliate programs. So we'll click on get result on this part here. So once we click on get result, it's going to pop up and show us the keyword, which is Amazon affiliate program. So if let me say for example we don't find it okay, we can just click on Amazon, and we remove this section and click on get result. Let me say if we are not getting good result on that, so we can just click on that. You can see people that is searching for Amazon, you can see that Amazon is ranking. You can see the monthly visitors. You can see Amazon is this keyword here, which is Amazon is getting 1 to 10 million monthly visitors. And if you scroll down here, you can see Amazon is ranking low competition. Let me say for example we want to rank for that keyword, we can just go and rank for it. So that is how you can get low competition keyword. You can see this section where you see competition. You can see the competition is very low, and you can just make sure you rank for the keyword that have low competition, so that you have a chance of ranking faster on Google. So let me say for example we have all the keyword we need, and we have saved it somewhere. So that is how you can do a research keyword, and that's how you can do keyword researching. So if you are following what I'm saying here, so I have already saved the keyword we want to use on this our campaign. So you can see I have set in the keyword exactly how Google wants us to set in the keyword. So now that we have our keyword, let's just go and create our ad. Let us start displaying our ad on Google search engine. So come back to your Google ad account and click on create ad. So we are going to follow the same step. Click on create new ad, which is create a new campaign. Just scroll down and click on this section again where it says create a campaign without a guardians. Click on that again and scroll down and click on the section where it says search, because we want to display ad on Google search engine. Click on search. So once you click on search, it's going to pop up this that you can see on the screen. You don't need to click anything here. Just scroll down onto this section where you see continue. So click on continue. It's going to tell you how do you want to your ad. What is your ad about? Is it website visit or phone call, app download? So you can click on website visit because you want to send them to a particular website. So it's going to ask for that your website. So what we need to do, go to this our website, copy the URL of our website here, copy it, the URL of this our blog we want to create a campaign on, and come back to our blog and come back to our campaign here and paste in the URL. Let's assume this is your affiliate link you want to go and send traffic to. Enter that and come down here and call your campaign a name. We can call it like Amazon. We can call it Amazon, and we'll just keep on going and come down and click on continue. So it's going to ask us, do we want to select any campaign that we have started and we want to end the campaign? We can just say new, start new here. We can just click on this button that says start new. It's when you have campaign that you started and you didn't finish, that is when this button will display. But if you don't have any, it will just display. It will just display random one. So what we need to do here, so you can see, say what do you want to focus on? So click on it and you can see conversion and conversion value. You can see other option, which is clicks and impression shares. So if you want that, but I recommend you to click on conversion because we want to make money from this. So yeah, why not? Click on this section where you see set a target cost per action. So we can come here. Let's say, for example, we want to set it at 0, and I'll just do it like 0 0 0 0. Let us do it 0 that, and we can just do 5 cents. Sorry, we can just do like 0.5, and if it's okay like that, if we are not okay, we can just come here and do like, we can just do like 5 cents, and we can come here and put 0 and remove the 5. So it will look like this. And I think we are good. It's okay for us like this. So we are setting it at 5 cents per action. So anyone that click on our ad, we are going to be paying 5 cents for anyone that click on our ad. So once you are done with that, you just need to scroll down and exclude this if you want to, if you don't want to be displaying it elsewhere. If you want, like when people search for that particular keyword you are trying to rank for, if you don't want your ad to be displayed in other places, you can just uncheck this and just leave it at only this one here, which is include Google search partners. If you don't want this, you can just uncheck all those things if you don't want it. But this depends on you. So if you don't want to display it, you can just leave it, but it is depend on you. This is going to increase the chance of how you can make more money. So how you can get more impression, and how you can get more people to that your offer or services. So I recommend you to uncheck this. Don't include this if you really want to get organic traffic, and just click on this. Is okay by that. So here we are going to select a particular country we want to target. If we want to target a particular country, let me say a country like US, we can just click on that, and like we did before, just enter United States, and you can see we are targeting United States, so which is the country we are targeting. So yeah, so once we are okay with that, we just need to scroll down. United States is English country, yes, everybody know. Click on segment here, and you can see that is on you don't need to do anything on segment. It's kind of showing you a category of kind of a business you want to target, but we don't need that. Just click on the section where it says next. Click on next, and once you come here, it's going to show you your website URL. You just need to remove the website URL there, and just scroll down to set in your personal keyword that you have. And sorry about that, just scroll down here where it says keyword. You can just come here and remove all this whole keyword, and we are going to paste our own keyword that we have done research. You know how we did the research of our keyword. Copy this keyword here, this from this line to this line, and copy and come to that our campaign and paste it inside here, pasting the keyword. So now that we have our keyword here, so what we need to do next, now that we have our keyword here, you can see how I set up the keyword. You can see that Google says you should phrase match your keyword like this. So this is how Google is telling you to phrase match your keyword. Make sure you have all those symbols at the side and the left. So once you are okay, you see how Google Ads said you should set up your keyword so that when people search for that particular keyword, Google will automatically display your ad because your keyword are optimized and you are going to rank for that particular keyword you have set. So yeah. So once you are done with that, just scroll down onto the section where you see the final URL. Make sure it's from that ad that you are trying to, which is this URL from the blog we are trying to go and advertise on Google. So we'll come here and paste in the final URL where people are going to visit, and you just need to scroll down onto the section. So here you are going to change the text to something that you really want. So you can change all those heading and text to what you let me say affiliate marketing. Click on this and you can enter something like the word that is relating to your this thing. You can write like business,
and etc, etc. It keeps on going. So on the description part, you can enter the description of the things that you want that correspond to your business. So once you are okay with that, all you just need to do is to click on next. So before you click on next, let me show you how your ad will display. So this is how your ad will display on mobile. So when people click on mobile, this is how your ad will display. When you click on this section here, this is how your ad will display. So you already know now how you can set up your ad. It's very simple. I hope you are following the instruction step-by-step guide that I'm showing you. So yeah, that is how you can set your campaign. The final URL, you enter the text. You can see how they are displaying here. On mobile, it's going to be changing time to time because you have a multiple headline and you have multiple description on the description section. So once you have set on all those things, so your ad will be displaying like this. So once you are happy with it, you just need to click on the section where it says next, and once it takes you to next, what you are going to do here is going to be showing you all those bunch of things. You don't need to do anything, just close this tab and click on next. So once you click on next, it's going to ask you how much you want to be spending for daily, averagely. How much do you want to be spending? We can say, okay, we want to be spending like $10 on that our campaign. You see, it's telling us that in that our country, which is France, our ad is displaying our average amount we are spending on ad is $15. So we can say, okay, let us take it back to $15. And if you are ranking for worldwide, or you can decide, this is just depend on you. But it doesn't matter because Google is showing you that means that you have to enter it. Google is just telling you what is working in that your country. So yeah, you can set it according to how you want it. So once you are done with that, you have setting how much you want to be spending daily. You can just click on those section where you see next. So once you click on next, it's going to show you what you have done, and it should review everything that you have done, all the campaign, everything that you have set. So if you find it exactly to how you want your ad to be, you will click on publish. So once you click on publish, that your ad will be live. So now you know how you can set up to ad on that your business or that brand or that blog that you are trying to promote. So that is how you can really set up your ad and start making money at the end of the day, and start running campaign in multiple websites, in multiple places that you want to run ad on. So now that you watch this 30 minutes plus video, so you know how you can set up your Google ad and start running your business on Google ad. So I will say thank you very much. I don't know how to explain everything on this video. To tell you that thank you if you watch this video to the end, and all I just ask in return, all I just want to return is for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video if you find the video that I'm making interesting, and if this video really help you, all I just ask again, smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave me a comment in the comment section below if this video really help you out, and you can go and ask me questions on my website, on our forum on my website, where you can ask me any question about affiliate marketing, about your businesses. Ask me any question. I'm available 24 hours to reply your question. So yeah, that is everything I need to talk about. And again, don't forget to go and try our SEO tools, which is what I use to save in all those keywords. And as you can see, we have a bunch of tools here that will help you to analyze your websites, check your business, whatsoever you are doing, check your email if your email is validated, a lot of things, backlinks checker, SEO tools, keyword position, all those tools, article writer, paragraph checker, all those things, they are all here. SEO tools analyzer, they are all on my UCF SEO tools website. Go and check it out. See if it's something that will be interesting on your website to help you grow. I will say thank you very much. Like I said again, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you on the next one.